Here we're gonna go from the airport straight to get the rental car, Alamo. Also, pretty good service, super quick, and there is a van waiting for us. So, Jorge here at Alamo, he's amazing. Jorge es como, es lo mejor. Y ahora tenemos, not Spanish. Now we have a RAV4 Toyota 4x4, amazing. One tip, there are tolls everywhere here. And you give them $1 and they give you the change right away in their currency. Really nice, really honest. I love it. Take a look, guys. They have many shops where they sell fruits and food. This is really nice. Pity that it's dark, but we're basically going in the middle of like the water. So it's water both sides. It's a bay. It's probably beautiful. It's a pity traveling at night, but this is a big bridge. And water both sides. You can see the lights are boats. Guys, and we cannot see shit here. Like there's kind of a tropical storm, a lot of water, and it seems that we're gonna have rain the whole week. I hope we have some sort of sunny time, otherwise it will be hard. So it's interesting, in the camera you can see better the road than with your own eyes because it does brightness correction. With your eyes, my eyes here, I don't see shit, but I just realized in the camera is much better. Impressive enough. The cellular and phone signal here are amazing. It works a lot, even in this kind of storm, in the middle of nowhere. But it's hard to drive, guys. Really hard to drive. Everybody driving like 50 kilometers per hour, like 20, 25 miles per hour, because you see the line of cars there. It's really hard. A lot of water, over crossing the road, small, narrow, no lights kind of road, so it's challenging. Be aware, be careful during storms or rain or monsoons. Don't play around. We're kind of in a city, really well developed here, really nice, a lot of infrastructure, Toyota dealer, McDonald's, two McDonald's, one after the other. Guys, after 4 hours or more, and please be careful, there are too many animals on the road, guys, be careful, please. So guys, really pay attention on the animals on the road. Even if you drive slow, don't drive at night. Just don't. Finally. And here we go. I'm so tired. Guanacaste. Yeah, we arrived at. Yeah. Wow, it's so pretty. It is really pretty. So guys, it's really exclusive. Take a look. A resort for real. It's super fancy. I don't even imagine how much money these guys put here to build this. It's insane. Insane. Let's take a look on this. It is really nice, guys. Yeah. That's the bathroom. Pretty decent, pretty nice. It definitely smells like beach. And guys, tomorrow you're gonna see it's right in front of the ocean. The ocean is right here. This is amazing. Like, this is good stuff, right? And that's the room. Take a look. The food's ready for you, man. All inclusive will be crazy. Great hotel.